What's going on, everybody? I'm here today at Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Currently, I'm going to be heading to the Whiskey Loop spotting location Connor hosted. I'm here with Lucas and Ed. Say hi, guys.
Hi. Howdy.
Yeah, super excited to be with these guys again for the next few days. And overall, I'm just looking forward to this amazing plane spotting meetup here at the world's busiest airport. So with that being said, stay tuned for all the videos, and yeah, we're gonna have
Let's get this content started.
That's right. Let's do it. Follow me. Follow me.
Oh,
It might be humid, but at least we're getting some breeze. Either way, it's kind of close to sundown. There's like two Delta planes taxiing close to each other. Oh, A321, yeah. A321. This is one of the locations I was spotting at earlier in the morning. Oh, I think that's them. That's them.
not gonna do the reference.
Okay, buddy.
Maybe on Friday.
Friday spotting meetup. There's a CRJ 900 right there.
Oh, yes. Glad to see them again for the third time.
Yeah, we're gonna see a lot of them while we're in Atlanta. While we're here.
Is that Connor's truck?
Remember, he drives a Colorado. And he has that Oklahoma license plate.
Oh, yeah. I mean, he's driven from Charlotte. Oh, wait, is that him?
There might be other. Okay.
All right.
Anderson,
Anderson.
what's up?
What's up, boys?
Hello.
Howdy.
How you doing?
Glad we
man?
can make it.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you, bro.
Raj, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Long time no see.
Long time no see. Hello, Mateo.
I'm so hairy. I'm sure you remember my name. I cut my hair a while ago.
Yeah, but I think I know you
Yeah,
know
no, we met
from
in
years ago.
Dallas.
Good morning, good afternoon, Connor.
How about good evening?
Yeah, good evening. 6:46 in the evening. Look at this view. Welcome to the Whiskey Loop. And I see a Frontier A321. I think that's Frederick the Bald Eagle. That's Frontier Space A321 in their fleet. So really cool to see that here. Caught it a couple of hours ago in the afternoon, so really nice to see it again. The only AC-21neo I've flown on was a Hawaiian Airlines airplane from Sacramento to Kahului. There's a Delta 737-900 right there. Isn't that one of the X-Line airplanes? Oh wait, it has a door plug. Not mine. Hey Michael, what's up?
Nothing much.
Ed, Domino's is right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then drinks right here. Plenty of water. The Gatorades are kind of almost out. There's a few more of those, but plenty of water. So you guys make sure everybody knows.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Starting to drizzle. Oh boy. It's raining! That's what happens in Atlanta right there. Oh boy.
Just gonna be a little bit. Go down a level if you want shade. Down in there.
Right there?
Down in the glass if you want shade.
Oh, okay.
Down.
Alright. Okay. What? Hey, this is fine. This is fine. I do need to grab my stuff though. Well, yeah, that's what happens in Atlanta. You would never know what the weather is like here. But you can get drizzle in a bit. There's another go around right there. Another go around. There's a Max taking off from Southwest. Well, I'm not sure that's a go around. Was that a go around? Like that one? Was that a go around?
That one was in from Sacramento, actually.
Oh, nice.
DL 904.
My home airport. That's awesome.
7.5.
Looks like we got a diverted flight right here. This is an Air Canada Rouge. That's an A320, right?
Oh yeah, 320.
Yeah. Apparently it's diverting here, which I don't know what's the reason. But really cool to see a diverted flight here in ATL. Wasn't expecting this Air Canada Rouge. This is actually my first time seeing Air Canada Rouge, so got a new airline in the bucket list right there. So this Air Canada Rouge A320 had just diverted here in Atlanta for reasons.
So 66 fabulous one, then we've got a ramp, so just make the left turn on.
That's a diverted flight, that Air Canada Rouge. Yeah, Delta 737 taking off right there. Who knows where it's gonna be heading? But that's there. Another shot of the Air Canada roof.
I'm feeling like it had a real chance to. So. Next up, we have a Delta 717.
Yep. 717.
Yeah, 268.
That Delta 757 is still holding for an open gate. Looks like a Gen 1. Yeah, that's a Gen 1 752 without winglets. Oh, 737.
It's got a real chance here to come out. So I don't have the 850 sight.
Hopefully.
That endeavor.
It's 20 years since this 757 moved. And then we're gonna get some really good shots of her right there. And there's also a Delta H21neo that just arrived too. Oh! Oh!
The hand just came off. It's all right.
Yeah, it hurts.
As long as nobody got hurt. It should be bolted. I don't know why it's not bolted.
Yeah, there's no bolts. What's up, Spirit? That's right. Because that's why Spirit is S tier. Alright. That tail is really weird off. Yeah. Alright, giving guys a quick little update. The Delta AT50 100 years livery is about to be on short final at the moment, or just final. But thankfully, weather has cleared out. Of course, we had to like stay in our cars because it was like downpouring. But we got a lot of Deltas right here. There's a 717, there's a 737, there's a Southwest 737-700, another 737 for Delta, a 757, 0J900, and a lot of things. So I'll make sure to catch that 738-250 100 years. Oh, something's pushing back. I think that's a Delta. But yeah, a lot of Deltas here at the world's busiest airport, right here at the Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, spotting at the Whiskey Loop. And I just got word that the Delta 100 years livery is on final. I repeat, Delta A350 100 years is on final. And arriving from Seoul Incheon International Airport, we have the Delta Airlines Airbus A350-900 Indy 100 years special delivery as she touchdowns on runway 27 left. Smoky touchdown right there, ladies and gentlemen. Just right beside the One World Qatar A350. Oh my God, there she. Ooh, wow. Gosh, she pretty. Oh my God, there she is, ladies and gentlemen. Delta's 100-year anniversary delivery on the Airbus A350-900. Once again, arriving from Seoul Incheon.
Charles 42, avoiding 73 off your right.
I'm getting. Oh, I think I can get a front shot of this aircraft. Come on. There we go. Oh my gosh. Look at that beauty.
What's the origin?
Alright, Virgin AC-300 is about to come. Oh, I see it, right there. Virgin AC-300. Wardrobe malfunction. I think I saw the BA?
Yeah.
Oh,
Right there.
right there?
Yeah.
British, is that a 777?
Yeah.
Nice. 222. Does that have GE90 engines or GE's? Nice.
I can't do a British accent.
Hey bird, I just touched down on runway. Is this 27 left? British 222 had just touched down on runway 27 left.
I was just used to that.
I don't know if I did a good British accent. Did I?
That's fine. Yeah, Henry. Yeah, hanging on top of the back of the truck. In the boot.
I never started that British ship. Let's see.
Put that on my story.
Oh, I will. I'll put it as a short. Should I?
Like I tag on my story.
Oh. Yeah, I think you should check. Yeah, let me. Oh, that is awesome. Great photo. Get a front shot of that aircraft. Beautiful. And with a smoky touchdown, we have cargo Lux on their Boeing 747-400 arriving from Luxembourg. Might be first time getting a close-up shot of this aircraft, but that's really awesome to see cargo Lux here at the world's busiest airport, right here at Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. We got a Delta 739 taxiing at Taxiway Whiskey, November 938 Delta Zulu. There's a 717 holding for a gate. Alongside that, we have a Delta 737-2, 934 Delta Zulu. This 717 registered 951 Alpha Tango. And then here we have this baby bus, AC-19. Let's see, what registration are you? Kind of hard to tell, but yeah, a lot of cool stuff to see. Night what? They're trying to work for the night shift, buddy. Are you trying to work the night shift or night spotting? Yeah. Do you have? Is your camera capable of doing night shots? No. Ouch. Anywho, we got more Delta planes. We got a conga line of airplanes just on the whiskey loop right there. There's the 753 taxiing out. And we're currently waiting for the SES. Oh, is that LATAM? Oh my god, that's LATAM! Ooh, I have never seen this airline before. Caught me by surprise right there. LATAM, Boeing 767-300ER. I'm guessing she arrived from Sao Paulo. Wow. Really cool airline from the South America region.
Yeah, because it's LA 28. It's weird that I'll shoot an ISO. Alright, A359 is landing up right now.
On A350? Nice.
Bro.
I sadly don't have enough storage on my phone, so I'm utilizing my camera as my backup.
It's called the Romans are
Hi. The real Delta mic right here.
real Delta mic.
Yes, real. The real Delta mic.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Anyways, dude, we got a A350-900 flagship on a Wednesday. Making some Matt Cochran references right here, folks. As we do got a Delta A350-900 heading out to Rome. I think that's...
You're missing out.
Well, I go to Founders every time.
Yeah, there's so many more better spots. Yeah,
you know what I hate about
Founders is that
Buffalo?
back angle shot. There's so much better.
TSA at Buffalo. I hate the summer.
You know how it's like curved?
TSA here is worse.
Oh, I've had that experience before.
Yeah, TSA here is...
A359.
Oh, we got a flagship.
Really like flagship.
Anyways, that is our Delta A350-900 heading out to Rome. And here's our Southwest 737-700. Ooh, it's kind of blurry. Oh man, how do I focus? There we go.
I don't know, probably in the next like 30 minutes.
Wait, so what's the plan after this? Are we all just gonna go head our own way?
Yeah, I think so.
I might stay in my room. I'm not staying at Renaissance. I'm staying at
Same here. We got more planes taxiing on Taxiway Whiskey. Oh, is that special? Let's assemble. Here's the Delta 739.
It's the stereotypical Atlanta traffic, the Atlanta bad driver.
There's a lot to take in here at the world's busiest airport. We got a conga line of Delta Airlines planes right there. 737, A321, 752, A321, 757, 717, CRJ, and then you got like a whole, look, this is a really cool conga line. Look at that. Yep, leader. It's that 737. That's 737 right there. And then we got another plane taking off 4 minutes into this recording, but yeah, this video is gonna be a very long video. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2, which will be the spawning meetup on a Friday. Look at that conga line once again. The Qataris are departing right here, heading back to Doha. spectacular departure as she heads into the clouds. Time now is 8:57 in the evening. We have 2 minutes into the spawning session and we're gonna conclude from here. So again, you got a hurl of deltas right here. We do got a Frontier 1820 Neo that just landed. There's a CRJ 900 or a CRJ. Yes, is that a 700? Okay.
Don't do that, that's dangerous. Yeah. I went there one time and the car was live.
Alright, so I'm riding with Delta Mike right now on his car as yeah, he's right there. That's it for the spotting meetup, so kind of
sunset.
Yeah,
ooh.
that's beautiful.
That's beautiful. I love these East Coast sunsets.
Here's the thing, it reminds me of California. Whenever we're in the ocean and they see those clouds,
Yeah.
it's gorgeous.
Yeah, California has very nice sunsets too. But yeah.
Out there on Tuesday. Golden Quest.
Yep.
Yeah.
I like to name all my trips or something.
Yeah, I think you mentioned it on one of Connor's live streams. Like you call the
Delta Mike.
yeah, like the Delta Tea Party trip, and then you mentioned the
Yeah. Then the
Hair Invasion.
Air Invasion.
I think your favorite part is the coming home on a homecoming trip.
Oh, coming home.
Oh yeah, that's right.
That was a funny one. That
Yeah.
was hilarious.
Otherwise, you want to cut that in the 80.
Yeah.
I'm dreading.
How are you, Ed? I know my camera.
No, you're right.
Yeah, the ISO is different, but if I could try to adjust it, yeah. It's just,
Oh, get a picture of that. Get a picture of that.
what?
There, under the sunset.
Oh, I got it. That looks
That's
fantastic.
Once we get out there, it'll be better.
Yeah, we better get some pictures of those sunsets.
Yeah, we will.
Why does it keep saying please wait? Let's go.
Don't leave us hanging.
We don't want to die.
Nah, we ain't gonna die.
Please, 30 bucks.
Jeez.
30 bucks?
$30 to park here for 3 hours.
Wow.
What the hell?
$10 per hour. Am I right?
Yeah.
100%.
I'm not parking here I'm not parking here tomorrow. I don't know.
That I'll agree with.
Yeah, it's 30 bucks.
Thank goodness we're taking Uber.
It's 30
Or
bucks.
Uber, not Uber, Lyft. But thank goodness we also took the shuttle.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just cruising along, going back.
Along in Delta Mike's Audi.
Yes,
Probably
sir.
among the 400,000th person I've driven in this car.
Mm-hmm. Hey, we love being your guests in these cars.
Yep. Anyone coming?
Again, it's kind of hard to see because my ISO, I have it on max ISO on my camera, but
Yeah.
also try. There we go.
There we go.
You can see some light. Oh yeah, how's the spotting meetup, Ed?
It went very well, but except for the beginning, it was raining.
Yeah.
I like that.
Hey, Mother Nature had other plans. Am I right?
That's right.
Yeah. Reminds me of Kansas City every time.
Kansas City. At least this is better than Kansas City.
Yeah, because last year we got a tornado watch, so.
No. The Kansas City one, because like we got called from the cops and then we went out.
The cops called on you?
Yeah.
In Kansas City?
Yeah.
Yes, they said that you can't really spot here because it might be a personal
And here's the
threat.
thing, Chris Slammer emailed them to let them know is it okay to play spot?
Like, oh, we're gonna spot here
Yes.
anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like anyone for Henry
Cordova, that's my last
Cordova?
name. Yeah. That's why you see on my username Dreamliner Fan HD because that's my first and last name initials.
Yeah.
I actually almost went that
Oh, I see
way.
Team USA right there.
Yeah, there's
Right
a
there.
very Neo. They did a
Yeah,
job right
let me
now.
try to focus it. Might be blurry on my camera.
Me and Gabriel saw that one land earlier.
We saw it. The team. Oh, that's a better shot. Hang on.
Yeah, there it is. Oh, it's just getting turned.
And this Mustang decided to block our view.
Screw you, Mustang!
I gotta record this.
No, I'm recording. I'm literally recording this. I'm
Let's do that one more time. Okay?
I'm doing it.
What are you doing?
Oh my god, a good one, Mike.
One time when I had girls in the car, I drifted this car. I actually drifted it.
You drifted on this car?
I turned the stability
No
control off.
shot.
I
How
turned
was
the
that?
stability control off, and then I made the turn so hard, and then all of a sudden it just started drifting.
Hey,
Wow.
for you guys if you want,
Michael,
but-
like went to that hotel. It's just around here somewhere to the left.
I mean, you
This one.
Yeah, that one.
I know where.
Right there, right there.
Let's honk at the 753 right there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Let's just be like,
versus the
hello 753.
Hello, man, get some. Hello.
He's actually honking.
Just saying hi.
How are you doing?
Just saying hi to the planes right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to Rennie first, and then we're going to go to Eduardo. I'll drop you off at your hotel.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
Sorry.
Wow.
Want to do that again?
Oh no.
Alright.
Oh boy.
Oh god.
I won't do it again this time.
Oh boy.
Oh, yeah, I'm okay with it.
Dude, there.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
No, imagine Chris Slimmer was riding with us. Oh my.
Oh, he's not gonna be
Chris Slimmer
happy.
has actually ridden in this car before, fun fact.
Ooh.
really?
He just like, pretty much the way he did was he just like came in here and just like rolled the window down. And he
And
just goes like, I hate these windows.
Connor has that as voice memos. All right. Stop one. Here you guys go.
Okay. See you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Wait, Ed.
Gotta get in the truck
Wait.
too.
We're in the La Cuenta. Henry and I were in the La
La
Cuenta.
Cuenta.
Are you
Yeah.
wait, Henry, are you staying there too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, this
Why not?
Okay.
Henry, this is your stop.
No, he's
No,
not.
no, no. That's not my stop.
Oh.
My stop
No,
is
we're
the La
both roommates.
Cuenta.
We're both roommates.
Yeah, we're roommates.
Okay. Yeah, just let me know where it is. So.
Oh, there's
Okay.
there's the 100 years. There it is.
Oh, where?
No, it's just all the way over there. It's just all the way over there, right next to the tower.
Next to the tower?
Yeah, it's in the international lineup.
Oh, it's kind of like hard to. Let me see if I can try to.
Yeah, I got a good shot of it.
Yeah, it's kind of like hard to see, but I hope that's on my camera.
Yeah, at least we've seen it. So.
Yeah, that was
One time I had a girl sitting where you were, Henry, and she had like an alcohol in there. And so and when I drifted it, the alcohol got over the carpet.
Oh, that's no good.
Where are we going? This way?
To the left, yes.
To the right back, y'all. One floor this time.
Yeah!
Whoa, here we go!
You are just like my dad. My dad does that all the
Alright,
time.
which hotel you at?
La Cuenta.
La Quinta?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is around this road somewhere.
La
Around.
Quinta?
Yeah.
Is it that one right there?
No.
Can you see it?
I don't think it's that one, but I think it's somewhere.
It's to the left. It's to the left.
Somewhere in the left. Yeah. Michael,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go over the clip that I'm currently recording
Oh, no.
to see if like what parts of the video you want me to like cut out.
Alright.
No,
Cause,
I'm gonna keep this whole video for fun.
I mean,
Either were fine, but.
Yeah, there it is. To the right. To the right.
yeah, but some parts when I upload this on YouTube, I'm gonna have to cut some parts because like Michael does not really want that to be seen on YouTube. So
Yeah.
Except for in the ballroom.
Not in the ballroom.
Oh no, not that either.
Not even in a ballroom?
No.
Huh. Whoa! Whoa! You want me to keep that?
Keep that.
Okay.
Just talk at people when they're
Okay.
I'm going the wrong way. Shoot.
Ah,
Oh,
shoot.
crap. Congratulations.
That's the right way? I don't know. I've never been to this hotel before, so
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Honking at the Cadillacs right there.
My Cadillac. Jump in
Oh,
the
there's a dog right there.
Cadillac,
That's
girl.
cute. There's a dog.
Oh, there's a dog?
Yeah, there's a dog.
Ah.
Too bad it's not lovely.
It's like a
All right.
poodle labradoodle mix.
Too bad it's not lovely. That would have been more awesome.
I mean, that's not her. Anyway, she's in Vegas.
All right.
Welcome here.
All right.
Thank you, Michael.
I'll see you tomorrow on the
See you tomorrow at the convention, and thanks for watching, everybody, for this awesome plane spotting meetup. And
All right, I'll see you.
yeah,
Henry, let's go.
Oh no, I'm finishing my lines right here. Anyways,
We can continue.
okay. Anyways, see you guys next time
right,
on
I'll
the
see you.
Friday spotting meetup, and yeah,
Just focus on the ballroom most.
yeah, we got the ballroom tomorrow. Opens at 12 p.m. Anywho, I know. I'm getting out of the car, but yeah. All right. Anyways.
Really, Chris Lewis.
Oh no.
Every one of you motherfuckers must get out of the
Oh my God.
Is this yours?
No, that's not mine. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, and share, and we'll see you. Oh my God. Really, Michael? Really? Anyways.
Oh God. Oh, he's driving an Audi. Oh.
Yeah, it's an Audi. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow for the day 1 vlog, and don't forget the plane spotting meetup on Friday as well. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video from Airliners.
Yes.
You want to say any final thoughts, Ed?
Yes, see you guys on day 1 of Airliners International. Get ready for great content to come. I know Chris Lewis will be cussing a lot. No, I'm just kidding. But get ready for awesome content to come. It's gonna be super fun and super hilarious at the same time. Be prepared.
Love to see it, buddy. Anyways, you have a great day, everybody.